What's going on YouTube world? Kyle Lewis, Kyle Louie here, bringing you guys a new video today. Kind of want to go over the snowstorm that I talked about the other day, and why I can't film too much today. It's true, guys. I meant what I said when I said that there's going to be a snowstorm. And just to prove it to you, there you go. This is what's happening today. Look at this. Look at this. We're supposed to get 1 to 2 inches every hour for the rest of the day and part of the night. It's supposed to stop tomorrow, but I don't know that's what's going to happen there, if work is going to happen or not. But see, I thought I left this back in Minnesota. Alright, my mom, my sister, my brother-in-law, they both said, nah, snow's not going to be as bad here than it is there in Minnesota. Well, yeah. Anyways, guys, hope you guys are doing well. If you do live here in Colorado, I hope that you guys are staying safe. This is nuts. Seriously, I thought I left this back in Minnesota and it followed me. Anyways, guys, yeah, so I do got some video ideas planned for the days that I am off, so be on the lookout for that. But I just wanted to show you proof of why I'm unable to really record some stuff. It's because outside is terrible right now. But yeah, anyways, hope you guys are doing well. Remember, like, subscribe, share, comment down below if you enjoy my videos. If there's anything you guys like to see me do, if there's a challenge or maybe a suggestion on paying it forward to someone, let me know. I'd be happy to.